Yo, you looking to find new customers for your print business? Let me try to help you out. What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Big Brando, and today we're gonna be talking all about going out and getting new business for your print business. Now, this might seem crazy, and a lot of people really rely on social media solely for acquiring new customers, and that's cool, but don't miss out on a lot of the money that's locally around you. Now, I know I probably talk a lot about clothing brands, building a clothing brand, starting a clothing brand, how to run a clothing brand, and a lot of you out there aren't interested in running a clothing brand. A lot of you started your businesses just to print for other people, and you want to operate like a print shop, and there's really good money in that. I do it too. I operate that same exact way, not as much as I like to, but business has been ramping up a little bit more on that side ever since I got my white toner printer. But mainly what I want to help people do is try to find new customers, new business, new people to print for. Now, if you're one of those that just strictly wants to do everything online, you would really have to ramp up your social media presence. If you're operating online, your online presence has to be through the roof, because at that point your competition is everybody operating online. So you have to find ways to stand out amongst everybody else. It's good to have an online presence, but you would really have to ramp up your content creation to be competitive in the races. That's just basically how it works. So I say this all the time, and it's don't just post what you made, post you making it. The process of you printing t-shirts, whether you're using DTF or vinyl or screen printing or white toner or whatever your method of printing is, show that process as much as possible, because the more content you put out there, the more eyeballs will see what you can do. I can show you my DMs right now where never in any of my videos I say, hey, let me print for you, or let me print your shirts for you, or hit me up so I could get your shirts done. I never solicit that business on social media ever. And my DMs are filled with, yo, how much to do 12 t-shirts? Yo, I want to get some shirts done by you. This is just me showing the process of how I do things. And like I said, I'm teaching people how to do it, but the videos land on people's feed that are interested in getting their shirts done. So they hit me up, yo, how much to get 12 hats done? Yo, I really like your work. How can I get some shirts done by you? My baseball team needs some t-shirts. Like I said, I'd never promote this business. I never solicit this business. I never tell people, hit me up so I could print for you. Naturally, they just hit me up. So the customers just naturally come when you're showing what you're doing. I don't have to sell them on that service. They see what I'm doing and they just hit me up. But again, it's all about creating the content of you making things. Don't just show the finished product. Show how you're making it and start posting. Now, if you're already doing online stuff and you want to start getting some more local business, this is the best way of doing things. I currently just did this, and that's why I'm making this video right here, is your local restaurants, barbershops, mechanic shops, bars, breweries, plumbing businesses, landscaping businesses, construction and demolition companies, pet shops, and the list can go on and on and on. They can all benefit from your services. They just don't know that you exist. So how do you make them aware that you're alive? By going in there and talking to the people face to face. This is the part that a lot of people are scared to do. Majority of you started your businesses from the comfort of your own home and are very nervous on going outside to acquire new customers. Some people feel timid. Some people aren't good with holding conversations. Some people are nervous and scared, and I get it. But if you want your business to thrive, if you want to scale your business, you got to get a little comfortable with being uncomfortable at first. But that's why I always say confidence is key. The more confident you are in your products and your services and your process, the easier it is for you to brag about your business to anybody out there. So what I just did recently, and it's going to be in a totally separate video. So like I said, I have a white toner printer now. I just printed some t-shirts for a father-son duo that's going to Disneyland. I had some room on one of the sheets. The landscapers here at the store cut the grass, trim the bushes twice a week, so I always see them. So I made a t-shirt for one of them with their landscaping business on it, because they're just out here wearing whatever, and I pitched it to them. You got to remember, what we do is a visual thing. People have to see it in order to understand what it is. Before, I used to just bring my iPad to restaurants and be like, look, I could do your window signage, I could do your employee shirts, they'll look like this. I could do customer shirts that you guys can sell. They'll look like this. And that used to help the sale. Doing mock-ups like that was cool. But now I have the ability to just print one t-shirt out and give it to them basically as a business card. So now I have the landscaper here trimming up the bushes right in front of my store. And I just tell them, yo, you guys don't have t-shirts that have your business name on the back in case other people driving by or people around here are looking for landscapers? He was like, nah, you got to talk it up with the boss. So I'm like, where's the boss? And he's like, he's on the backside right now. So I bring the t-shirt to the boss. He's out there tying this big ass tarp thing full of grass clippings and throwing it in the back of the truck. So I'm like, yo, man, I just talked to your other dude right here. I got a shop that's on Western. I print t-shirts. I made this shirt right here because I'm like, yo, it's a missed opportunity to be cutting the grass and the trees and stuff right here down Western where there's a ton of traffic and nobody's getting a chance to see your business. Then I look on the side of his truck and he doesn't have his logo or anything. And I'm like, man, I could put your logo on the side of the truck, on the doors. It'll just help with promotion. He was like, you know what? We always thought about doing it. We just never got around to it. I said, look, I already got the design already ready to go. If you're cool with this, I could throw your phone number on the bottom. I could do all this stuff right here for you. I already know your thing is called M&G Landscaping. Just give me the other information. I'll slap it on. He's like, oh, you could do that? I'm like, yeah. I'm right here in 120. You tell me what color shirts you guys want to do. I can bang it out. It'll look just like this. So in that interaction right there, he got logo design. He got shirts for his employees and possibly throwing some vinyl on the side of his truck. All from one t-shirt. That's all I did. Bang it out real quick. I already had room on the gang sheet when I was printing out the Disneyland t-shirts. So I said, man, I'll just throw this one on. It's catching a free ride. Pressed it up on a t-shirt real quick and gave it to him. I took most of the guesswork out of it for him. He didn't have to go look for somebody to design a logo for him. He didn't go look for somebody to print some t-shirts for him. He found out I could do t-shirts and throwing the logo on his truck. And I'm giving him the idea that more business would come in if the people seen his logo and information on the back of the t-shirts of people driving by or just people that own businesses in here that see these guys twice a week. And maybe they need a landscaper for their home, or they might be part of an HOA somewhere and they might be looking for a new landscaper, and bingo, now the pieces are all connect and form. And all it took was one t-shirt. Doing this with local restaurants is an easy call. You might go to your local pizza shop all the time, and then you might notice the employees are all wearing something different. They're not all wearing a company shirt or whatever. They might have aprons on so you know they work there, or they're standing behind the counter, but it's nothing to go to the owner and be like, yo, I threw your logo on this t-shirt right here. I could print these up for you. I noticed none of these guys are wearing shirts, but I could print them up for you. And I could also make some so you could sell to customers. And all it takes is one t-shirt. You could take a picture of that person's logo. Maybe it's on the side of the building or on the marquee or something like that, or on their door or on the menu. You could throw it into Photoshop, clean it up, use the same colors, same information, slap it on a t-shirt, and the next time you go to that pizza place, be like, yo, I made this shirt for you right here. I noticed the employees are all wearing something different. Is there a reason you don't have shirts for your pizzeria or whatever it is? And whatever they tell you, be like, look, I could offer this for you. These are my prices. This is how much it would cost. I also noticed your store hours on the front is just a scribbled sign. I could put window decals for your store hours. I could do new decals on your door, all for this much. This is what I do. This person knows you come in and buy pizza all the time. Now this person knows you're a local business, and all it took was one t-shirt. That's all it takes. Is one t-shirt to show them. Now, if you don't have a white toner printer, I'm not saying you need a white toner to do this kind of stuff. You can do it with whatever print method you want. Having the luxury of being able to print one-offs with the white toner is what I'm using it for. And I'm acquiring so much business doing it. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. But if you didn't have one of these, like I said, you could use DTF, you could do vinyl, you could do whatever you want. Now, let's say the landscaper says, all right, man, I need 72 t-shirts. I'm not gonna print all 72 out with the white toner printer. I'm gonna order transfers and I'm gonna bang it down. The sample t-shirt to give as a business card is just what I'm using the white toner for. But if they needed like 6 shirts, I could do that with the white toner easy. But anything more than a dozen or something, I'm just gonna order transfers. I could order some DTF transfers and I can knock it down pretty simple. But it's all about visually showing your newest client what you can do. Like I said, what we do is visually stimulating. People need to see it, and when they can touch it, it drives the sale that much easier for all of us. Like say you pull up on a plumber and he's digging out somebody's front yard and he's getting to it, and maybe he has a work shirt on, but maybe that work shirt's all faded and beat up already, and you could be like, yo, I can make you guys some new ones. Take a picture of his shirt, see the logo, you see the information, clean it up in Photoshop, slam it on a t-shirt, give it to that plumber the next time you see him, or be like, yo, where's your yard located? I would like to give this to the owner, or whatever it is. Then you tell the owner, hey, I noticed you guys wearing some faded shirts. I know you guys work through them pretty aggressively throughout the week. I can make some new ones for the guys and your whole staff, and we could give each guy multiples So then that way they always got fresh shirts, and then we could set something up where it's like every 3 months I could replenish some t-shirts for you and stuff like that. That way everybody looks crisp and clean when they're going out, represents the company well. The owner will understand that and be like, you know what? Yeah, you're right. It's their uniform and they go through t-shirts like crazy. Why not? Like I said, all it takes is just for you to make one shirt and you take it around to whatever business you want. And all you're doing is taking the guesswork out of it for them. They don't have to look for somebody to design. They don't have to look for somebody to print. You're walking into their door with your services ready to go. Shirt in hand, they see it. They're like, oh, this person means business. They could get this done. Easy call. You're using t-shirts as your business card. That's your entry. That's how you're breaking the ice. That's how you're actually talking to these owners. But it starts with confidence. Build that confidence up. Get ready and be like, all right, I know what I can do. I know what I can offer. I know what my pricing is, and be confident in what you can offer. You're basically trying to solve the problem for them. This works tremendously when it comes to barbers. You go into a local barber shop, but man, y'all ain't selling t-shirts in here. I could throw your logo on a shirt just like this. Bingo. You sell them to the customers, give them away to the customers. Most guys getting their haircut are loyal to their barber and to their barber shop. So they have no issues promoting their barber and their barber shop where they're getting their haircut from. It's to the point some dudes who get their haircut from the same person every single week, if they walk into the barber shop and that person isn't there, they might just walk out of the barber shop because they don't want nobody else touching their hair, unless they really need a cut. But for the most part, people will wait for their favorite barber or the person they trust with their hair. So it's nothing for them to wear the t-shirt to promote that barber or that barber shop. And barbers know this. Barbershop owners know this. So it's easy for you to go into a barbershop already with their logo on a t-shirt. Like, oh, you guys ain't selling t-shirts? Well, I print t-shirts. I threw your logo on this one. And you could look at all the people waiting to get their haircut in the barbershop. Like, man, these people right here would be down to wear this to rep the barbershop. Bingo. It's worked a ton of times for myself. Majority of the barbershops around me all have t-shirts in their shop now because of me, because this is such an easy service to sell. Works like that for tattoo artists. You don't even have to do any of the work. They'll send you the designs. Like, man, I'll just print it out for you. You already make dope designs. You're an artist. Majority of tattoo artists now work in iPads and with Procreate and stuff like that, so they could spit out digital files for you to print. You're just bringing your services to them, so they don't have to go out and look for services. They can just say, oh, this person came to me with their services. Send them design, you print it out, bingo. Most tattoo shops have dope graphics on the window. You could take a picture of that graphic, slam it on a t-shirt, bring it into that tattoo shop, be like, yo, notice you guys aren't selling t-shirts in here. Printed one up for you guys. This is what I can do. Let me know if you guys are interested. Here's my name, email, number, however you want to get contacted. Keep it pushing. Go to the next business and do it there. Go to the next business and do it there. Everybody could benefit from t-shirts. This is how easy it can get. But you have to apply yourself to actually go out and do it. Most people sit back and wait for the work to come in. That's cool, but if you really want to get this money, you got to go out and get after it. And it starts with your confidence. Build your confidence up with everything that you do. Figure out your sales pitch and get after it. Now, if you have questions about anything we talked about in this video, please leave it in the comments for me. If you already do this, or if you're thinking about doing this, or if you need help doing this, let me know in the comments. And if you wanted to, you can follow me on Instagram, BigBrandoTV. That's where you can see me using my white toner printer in action. You can see all the stuff I'm printing out for clients, for customers, for myself. All right, catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.